Hello guys, today I'm going to do bottle black sip. Actually, this one. I was already doing it, so I thought to share this to you also. So let's start it.
ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಡೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಇಂದಿನಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ
1 kg ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಇರುವ ಸಿಪರ್ ಫ್ರೀ. Boost is the secret of my energy.
So I had finished the backflip. So it was very nice. I thought it won't, but it was got it. So bye bye. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.